Okay. Hello, everybody. Let's discuss quickly what is break-off structure. It is a simple concept. I don't think it's going to take more than 2-3 minutes, but we'll explain. So break-off structure for a bullish trend is this here. And then we usually move in waves, right? We usually move in waves. And then when this is one leg, right? And then it retraces, but it did not break this leg to the bottom side, right? That's why this leg up did not, this leg up, after this leg up, we get some retracement, and then this retracement did not break the structure of the previous leg, okay? That's when I say that this was not the break-off structure. But when it moves up all the way like this, again, right, it's a continuation of the trend, and then price comes back, it broke the structure to the stop side and retest this area like this here, all right, in anywhere in this zone. So this is a break-off structure retest, okay? All right, did I explain it to everybody correctly? This one here was BOS retest. Now, when we are in a trend and when we are retesting each time, moving in waves up, and each time it comes back retest. Now, this retest could be a bit deeper, could be anywhere here, right? When it looks in a candle pattern, they look a bit different. Then what happens? Price is moving in one direction, and then yes, higher high and higher lows here, they are formed because we are trending. Now if price wants to change the direction, what is it going to do? It is going to maybe start ranging in this area, and then on a higher time frame you see this, right? You start looking at this. Now what's happening here? It did not make a higher high, and it did not, initially it can, or sometimes it does not make a lower low in the first go, but then this leg broke the structure here, right? Broke the structure of this leg and moved down and made a lower low. Now price wants to come back, retest this breakup structure, and then retest this breakup structure, and on, so on. This is an easy concept, which I've just explained in the easiest terms, most layman language. All right, who did not understand this? Because then now we are going to see the implementation of break-off structure retest. So first there is a break-off structure that happens here. This was the BOS, and then we have a break-off structure retest. Two things. All right, clear? Babies you are. You got to learn this on, not here on the stream. You got to go learn this on babyfit.com or YouTube. Just search for it. So, all right, clear? Now we are going to go ahead and discuss the same. I will just take a screenshot so that I can post it. So we are going to discuss the same thing on the chart now, right? Let's go and do that. I'll delete it. What's happening on the chart? Okay, still highs have not been broken. Did anybody take a sell here on this retest? And there is an OB formation on 15-minute here right now. Okay. Just for your information, I'll just mark it here, right? So if it comes up deeper, please, you can secure. Awesome. Some of you did. Toyin did, Victor did. Amazing. All right, guys, now let's have a look at the break of retest structure on the charts. And I have a very beautiful example. Let's see. When price was dropping last time from 32, it was here. It wasn't too bad. It was coming down. So here you are, the whole thing that I just mentioned there could be explained a little bit on here. Are you ready? Okay, so look what's happening here. We broke the structure, right? We did not come back retest anywhere here. We made this leg comes back, retest this structure it broke out of, and then it moves up again. It also does a quick retest here with this wick to this break of structure, and then it moves up and then comes down. And then what happened? Making a lower low as compared to this area, and then a lower high, and then this area here, right? When it broke out of it and it wanted to go back up, retest the break of structure here, and then push down. And then now this break of structure that this leg did is usually retesting by this one here. And then we are going down, coming back up, retesting these wicks on the left, and then down, and then waves become smaller because we are going to change the trend again up here. Now this was again to the other side break of structure. Easy? See you, Momo. Bye-bye. Easy? Who got this and who did not get this? Please respond in the chat so that I know, and especially Kenny yourself. Easy? Motion got it, Kenny got it. So we call it break of structure, and then the second term I use is BOS, right? And the second term I use is BOS retest. So one is BOS, and then the second one is BOS retest. So we say that we got the retest done, sorted. So this was the break of structure, this leg here, this white leg, and then this was the break of structure retest where the structure broke out of. All right, now I'm gonna stop this recording here. Okay, and now if you want to look at it on a smaller time frame, I'm going to erase this, right? And then I'm going to go ahead and then discuss the same thing on our smaller time frame that we're looking at right now. Why did I mention BOS right now? Okay, so delete. I deleted my current positions and everything. No, zones are key zones. Drawing is something else. We have another video, you gotta watch that. I think we already had key zones mentioned there, how we're looking at the key zones, right? That is something different. Now, why am I saying, now who can somebody unmute themselves? Kenny, can you talk?
Yes, hi, Sasha.
All right, Kenny, now explain, do you know how to annotate? Can you explain me why am I saying I'm waiting for the break of retest structure here? Where did the price broke out of and where it did not retest?
The broke up is 178.88.
178 area. Yes. Okay. Yeah, here you can say that. But that's good that you mentioned it here. Kenny, do you know one thing that I'm looking at here is a deeper retest to these bodies. So price eventually was consolidating in this area, right? So when it broke out of this zone, this area on a smaller time frame, it broke out like here. This one was never retested. You see that? On a smaller time frame, it moved up and then came back down to retest this area, moved up again, and then here, and then again a little higher, but it did not come back retest this area, 1786 area. That's why I'm saying that this leg or this complete move up should come back down a little bit more to retest this area to give me a break of retest. Now there could be two scenarios. When there is a break of retest, what happens is either it's been respected, this move one up, it is going to come, I want it to come back, retest this area. So first retest, it gave a higher level here, it can reject here, and then it can reject here, and then it can even come back down deeper here, any of these areas on smaller time frame. But if it does not respect this and wants to continue down, right, that means again we are changing the trend, right? That's how I look at breakup structure, and I hope I've explained it. If you have any question, ask me. I'm going to stop the recording.